What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we are going to be doing an unboxing video with my friend. Get over here, friend. Stop squishing my pillow. Get over here, friend. Friend. Get over here. Get! Get! Ah! Oh, God. Ah, God. It's Gabe. Excuse me. Alright. So before we start the video, I want to announce that my parents recently upgraded to a new camera, and they gave me their own camera. And that camera is the Canon Power G16.
The Canon Power G16. Better than ever.
Yep. Hold on, let me get the view of lighting better so you can see. The Canon Power G16. It is very nice.
Michael,
I think it's
I
the
broke
lanyard.
this.
No, you didn't. I can fix it.
Oh, I fixed it.
Yeah, Gabe, please stop touching my stuff right now.
I broke it again.
Stop it. But, like I said before in the video, we are going to be doing an unboxing video with this thing, this tripod my mom just bought
Didn't
me.
you already open that before and had it standed up right there?
No.
Yeah?
Gabriel, no. So, let's
Whoa.
unbox it. And I didn't, Gabe. Shut the
Okay.
hell up.
Okay.
Alright. So, let's change views. Alright, so we have it. Stop! So, we have a tripod that we're just opening. It's a very tall tripod. Let's open it up. Stop.
Okay.
This is no, that's my drink. Put my drink down. That's my special drink.
It's ice.
Damn it.
Ice, baby.
Alright, here it is, guys. Dun, 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 dun.
Michael, I didn't know you had a dildo. No, I'm sorry. This is just Mentos. No request. Backwards. Oh my
Shut
lord.
up, Gabe.
Backwards. How do I show this forwards?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm just taking off the things. Alright, let's change views once again. Alright, so right now I'm going to set up the tripod. Let's see if I can. How do I open it?
Okay, let me help. Mike.
How do I open it?
Okay.
I don't know how.
Oh my god, this tripod's worse. Okay, there's another way to do this. Put it on the ground
Yeah.
and smash it on the ground.
No, don't smash it on the ground. This thing's brand new.
Okay. Michael?
Okay.
I think. Oh wait, these tripods unlock and lock.
Yeah, but that only opens them and closes them. Oh, they can go up into the same hall. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Stop it, stop it, stop it. But now we
Lock.
have to.
Lock.
Oh my lord.
Lock.
You know what?
Lock. Hold on, you know what? We'll see you guys once we get this tripod open.
A few hours later.
We got it. Oh, we totally did not ask my parents. This thing is open. We
Changing views.
And you were guys going on the tripod. Well, what do you think of this height? I'm just moving you guys right now. Yeah, so,
And what do you think of this YouTube play button that Michael just got for 3 million subscribers?
I wish I had
I'm
3 million
joking.
subscribers.
I'm sorry. I made you depressed.
Alright, guys, well, that's gonna have to end this video for today.
No, don't end it. There's one more thing I must do.
No, put my camera down. Alright, guys, well, that's gonna have to end this video for today. If you enjoyed and want to see more videos like this,
No, cool. Intro.
comment, like, and subscribe on my videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Good morning.
Did you just say good morning?
No, I'm a gangster.